Are you a high performer spending your time building somebody else's dream while your dream feels like it's on pause?
Do you feel like you're underliving, earning less than your worth, and trading your freedom for a paycheck that isn't going quite as far as it used to?
Are you ready to stop being busy and start being automated so you can fund your freedom in the next 90 days? Well, this video's for you, my friend.
We have exactly 90 days to build a work from anywhere business and to move out of the country due to a medical situation, which we talked about in our first video titled Why We Have to Leave America Now, our 90-day countdown. Today, we're showing you the blueprint we're using to build a business that can run from anywhere in the world in 3 easy steps you can start today.
Now, the best part, we're giving you this while working our full time jobs. So you don't have to quit your 9 to 5 to start the escape plan. The focus here is on alignment, automation, and alchemy.
Step one, alignment. You can have all the AI tools in the world, but if you're stuck in a cycle of under earning and letting clients underestimate your value, your business won't even survive. So, we're going to talk about auditing the frequency leak, the no list, which is the opposite of a to do list. Under earning is often a symptom of saying yes to things you want to say no to. This is actually low vibe energy. So, identify exactly which clients or tasks are draining your battery and keeping you in a scarcity loop, earning less than you do actually deserve.
Now, the action create a no list, aka a stop doing list. Identify the three lowest paying, highest stress activities or clients currently on your plate. Now, by deciding to stop accepting low paying work, you create the energetic space and the actual time to welcome premium level opportunities.
Bottom line, get crystal clear on what you do want in life and say no to everything that is not that. We do have a free high vibe compass you can download if you want help getting clear on what matters most to you. That link is, of course, in the description. After getting clear on what your high value activities are and creating your no list or your stop doing list, step two is to make a shift. If you are employed and earning less than you can afford to live on, begin now to learn a new high level value or skill, or begin defining what type of online business you would love to start. If you are an underpaid entrepreneur, shift to results based pricing. If you've been working for less than you deserve, you may have been charging for your work based on your input, your hours, your effort, your years of experience. But to charge what you're worth, you must pivot to pricing based on the outcome, not the input. Base your pricing on your client's transformation, the time they saved, the revenue generated, not the time it takes you to do the work. Either way, if you're making less than you need to live your dream life, then your time is being undervalued.
Now, whether you're going to start an online business or you're already an entrepreneur, shift from saying I charge 50 an hour to saying the investment for this service is 2,500. Now, this moves you out of the commodity category. When you anchor your price to the value the client receives rather than the clock, your frequency shifts from the employee mode to partner mode.
Step three, the high vibe warning. Frequency isn't just a feeling, it's a daily discipline. If you start your day in reaction mode, such as immediately checking your emails, scrolling, worrying about your bills, you are vibrating at the frequency of your current problems, not the solutions you want to create.
Yeah, well, the action commit to a high vibe power hour before touching any device. Use this time for the alchemy work, visualization of the 90-day plan. Now, where do you want to end up 90 days from now?
Exactly. What would you love to be different in your life in 90 days? So visualize this with intense details. Close your eyes and see yourself starting your day from your dream life. What do you see? What do you smell? What do you taste? Where's the location? Who is with you? What is on your dream agenda for today? What is bringing you joy in this moment inside your desired reality? Feel all of that.
Now, by aligning your internal state with your desired end result before the world interrupts, you set the tone for your day and you'll carry that high vibe energy into every decision you make today.
Exactly. Next, the time buying machine. Think of this as automation with AI. Most people say, well, I don't have time to build a business online, right? I'm too busy. But the truth, you aren't necessarily too busy. You're just not automated enough. To fund your freedom in 90 days, you have to stop doing busy work and start doing CEO work. Here are 3 action items you can take that will implement, that you can take today to implement and buy back at least an additional 10 hours a week.
Now, the digital gatekeeper, lead gen filter, are you spending hours answering how much do you charge or can we hop on a quick call with people that never buy? Stop giving away your calendar link to everyone.
Here's the action: create a gatekeeping form that asks the hard questions first. If this particular client does not meet, or potential client does not meet your budget or your high vibe criteria, then the AI automatically sends them a polite, "Thank you, but we're not a fit right now. Here's some resources that may help you." If they are a fit, it automatically books them on your calendar. That way, you only talk to people who are ready to pay. How to do this: you set up a simple AI powered qualifying form using tools in your current CRM, a form builder, or even Gemini to build this for you by telling it who your ideal client is and what you want to create.
The infinite content loop. Think of this as marketing on autopilot. Now, thinking you need 4 hours a day to be a creator just to market your business, you don't need to be a full time influencer. Use a content repurposing workflow, record one high value training a week, use an AI tool like Opus Clip or Riverside to automate, and chop it into 10 viral shorts.
Exactly. Let the AI handle the editing, the captioning, and the posting across TikTok, Reels, and YouTube. Now you have just automated your entire marketing department that will work for you while you're sitting at your desktop.
Now, the zero touch onboarding. Think of this as funding while you sleep. Are you getting clients, then spending 3 days emailing back and forth for contracts and payments? Take this action instead. Create a linear onboard flow. The moment a payment hits, an automated trigger sends the contract or deliverable, creates the client folder, and sends them a getting started video.
Exactly. And then your freedom begins when you get a notification that you've been paid $2,000 at 2 a.m. and the client already has everything they need to get started. This isn't just a system, it's a funding machine that works 24/7 so you don't have to. Once these automations are up and running, your business starts being an asset that can run forever from anywhere.
But having time is useless if you're stuck in the wrong zip code. Now, that brings us to step three, alchemy. This is where the lead of our current reality turns into gold of our future.
For us, this isn't just about reacting to an unexpected medical situation. We are using this nudge from the universe to stop wishing and to start building, right? The unexpected medical situation, our lead. Us creating our dream life and stop saying we don't have time or we're too busy, that's the gold, right? And we aren't just building a business, we're building a bridge, a digital passport that allows us to help others in a bigger way. We get to protect our health and live our dream life simultaneously. But here's the real question: what is happening in your life right now that is nudging you? Is it a boss that doesn't value you, a healthcare or financial or money issue, or just the realization that you were meant for more than a cubicle? What pain are you alchemizing into what you truly want in your life?
We have a hard deadline of 90 days to make this leap. What's your time frame? If you had a blueprint that worked in the margins of your 9 to 5, how fast could you move? And what is it? What is that one thing your business needs today? Comment below.
Before we go, I promised a clue to where the High Vibe Tribe is landing next if you're following our mystery destination and clue tracker, along with your download of the compass to create your own life. In our mystery destination, we are not just changing zip codes. We are stepping into a timeline that started over 500 years before the Western calendar even began. You heard that right. Where we're going, 2026 doesn't even exist. On every milk carton and every bank statement, it is officially the year 2569.
Now, we know this was a fast paced overview of a few actions you can take today for more alignment, automation, and alchemy. But you can't build a bridge in 15 to 20 minutes.
That's why we're dropping a free 90-minute deep dive training very soon, titled How to Fund Your Freedom from Anywhere in 90 Days. This is going to be the full, no fluff, behind the scenes view of the exact systems and the high vibe freedom framework we are using to build our business in 90 days while working full time, and how you can do it too. We'll be sharing a do it yourself method and a plug and play method, so you get to choose your own adventure even in how you build your business and fund your freedom.
Subscribe right now and hit the bell to be notified the second it drops, or check the link in the description to see if it's already live. Now, let's build a bridge together. Also, grab your free High Vibe Tribe compass and mystery destination tracker in the description below so you can follow us on our High Vibe quest or create one of your own. Welcome to the High Vibe Tribe.
And if you just can't wait and you're ready to get started funding your freedom in 90 days today, visit our automation and marketing agency at auraiprofit.com. Links in the description below. Your world is about to get a whole lot bigger.